All right, headed to paint this elevator out in Tennessee. A little rain in action right now. About to pull up on the house here in 1 second. I gotta unload everything and start taping everything and get things ready to start painting. So I'll show you what's going on during the process. Alright, before we get to that, let's go over how we got to this point. I got hit up by a client to do a cool project in her elevator. So to start the process, I want to find out as much as I can about what she likes, doesn't like, go through the process of making a couple mocks. Once she likes one of the mocks, since this mural is not in my city, I had to buy paint, get it shipped, make sure everything coordinates with my trip to get out there. There's a lot of preparation to get the whole mural done. All right, back to where we were on the video. There's the house. Woo. All right, got the base coat done in here. Finally gonna start painting. Ooh. I'm starting to put some colors in. I think it's starting to look pretty cool. Gotta take a break from that little ass room for a minute. Just walked through. Wanted to check out the pool area, see what's going on out here. God, it's sick. Look at this view. Wow, how cool. Whew. Painting in those small areas, had to take a break real quick. Check out part of this house. You can definitely get lost in it. Ugh. Anyway, back to it. Wrapping up. Turned out pretty cool. Popping bottles. Long process taping everything off. Trying to keep it clean in this very nice home. We're gonna put a cool shag carpet in there of some kind. Got the light clean. If you enjoyed checking out the video, the process painting this elevator. This one took a lot of layers. So a lot of layers later, here we are. It turned out cool. Thanks again for checking out the video. I appreciate all of the love and support. If you need any murals, hit me up at RoyalStain on Instagram or royalstain.com. Loved a bit of mural for you. Appreciate all the support. Whew, that was a long night. Here's the house I'm painting. Pretty big.